Welcome to this training video. Today I will show you how to successfully log in to the Digital Sales Assistant using the TradePlace portal. To do so, we open the tradeplace.com website. Once we are on the TradePlace page, we click on Login at the top right. Now the TradePlace login screen appears. Here we enter our email address and the temporary password that was sent to us within the DSA invitation email. After that, we click on Sign In. For your first login, the system will require you to change your password. To do this, we enter the temporary password again in the upper box. We can then choose our own new password. As soon as I have thought about this, I enter it in the center box. In order for your own password to be set successfully, it must be confirmed once again in the bottom box of the login screen. For future logins, you will be signed in directly without being asked to change your password again. If we now click on Continue, the new password is set and we can proceed. Now we are in the TradePlace portal hub. At the top right, we can now see that I am logged in with my new account. And we can also see that we successfully registered to the Digital Sales Assistant service. To unlock the DSA, we select the Digital Sales Assistant service and click on Enter. I am now in the brand picker and can select the brands for which I want to use the DSA. For future logins, we will now use our new defined password. This login data can be used to successfully sign in to the Digital Sales Assistant at any time. In addition to the TradePlace portal login just shown, you can also reach the DSA directly at any time via the web address dsa.tradeplace.com. This was the training video on how to log in and register to the Digital Sales Assistant solution. I hope you enjoyed it and that it helps you using your Digital Sales Assistant.